Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tehri Masood and we're here live from the Hum TV page because we're going live with a celebrity. We're going live with somebody who's the new sensation and who has made their mark really quick in the industry. You probably know who it is by now because we uploaded a poster, but you can still guess. And if you're ready and if you already know and you've been waiting for who it is, then send in your questions and send in your thoughts about how their performance has been so far. So I mean, uh, I'm just waiting for them to join in. But what I'm surprised about is that they're one of those people, who come up with the first thing and they do so great in the first thing that you can't just be like, you're just wondering कि इतना अच्छा for the first time कैसे हो सकता है. But some people know how to do it right, and they know how to just steal the show. So we're waiting for actually Ameer Ali to join us, and once he's here, we're gonna start a conversation with him. But in the meantime, I'm hoping that you have a lot of questions planned for him, and you can ask him all the questions. So you know, sometimes we're always thinking about what's happening these days and all this situation. So we're just waiting for Ameer Gilani to join in. Okay, so he's almost. Hi, Ameer, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Okay, so Amir, I feel like your camera is coming a little tilted to me. I feel like it's in a
Wait, wait,
landscape
wait.
position. You need to, probably switch it. Yeah,
Wait.
yeah, perfect.
It's better? Yeah?
Okay,
Okay.
so how are you, Amir? How has your lockdown period been going?
Good. Very good. I've been playing the guitar quite a lot and I've been playing the keyboard. So that's how I'm spending my time. I haven't met my friends in God knows how long. So that's a little boring, but otherwise it's good.
Okay, so you worked in a project with Hum TV and you've done great. Okay, so people are always
Thank you.
calling me and they're like, Sabaat is what Sabaat, what's Sabaat? I'm like, I'm watching it. Are you guys watching it? So how does it feel to you? You're like a newbie to the industry. I mean, this is like your second project with Hum TV, right? So
Yeah, it is.
so how does it feel that you're just in the beginning and you do so well, and one thing you do and it clicks so well that everybody's talking. You're like the talk of the town then.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. I don't know. I wasn't expecting this much love and appreciation. It's huge. I've done a soap for Hum TV before this, and soaps aren't as big as serials are, and I've been lucky to get such a big serial as my debut serial. I got such a great cast with me, and director इतने अच्छे थे हमारे, story इतनी अच्छी थी. Hassan का character is so lovable that it just all clicked together. तो इसलिए सब हो रहा है.
Okay, so we love the drama so far. So we're gonna, so everybody's seen you very serious in the drama. So we're gonna
Yeah,
try to make it fun so that everybody
okay.
knows there's another side to you,
Of
right?
course, yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so like very basically, do you feel like there are any similarities between you and the character that you're playing in the drama, like in real life?
Uh, yeah, there are some traits which are similar between me and Hassan. He's very he's ziddi in a good way.
Yeah.
But मैं भी उस तरह काफी जिद्दी हूँ. मतलब if I want something done, तो I make sure कि यही करना है और इसको achieve करना है. So maybe that trait, and secondly, he's really close to his mom. I'm also very close to my mom, and I have like this friendship with my mother. So these two qualities are similar between me and Hassan.
Very nice. Okay. So, now that you probably have a lot of fans and there are probably people, rushing into you and you're like, what's happening. So, what's the weirdest fan moment that you've had so far?
Honestly, fan moments are always so nice. I don't find them weird. They're also loving. But and honestly, जब से ये हमारा Sabaat on air आया है, we've been all locked down in quarantine. So I
हाँ.
haven't really gotten to meet my fans as much, my supporters. But जो मेरे Instagram पे मुझे comments आते हैं, जो मुझे messages आते हैं, they're all a lot of fun, and I love reading them. So each and every fan that messages me or comments on my posts, I really appreciate them.
Okay, so okay, that's really sweet. So what's one of your biggest fears?
Fears.
Yeah.
I am terrified of flying. मुझे एक phobia है traveling से by air. I'm petrified. बहुत डर लगता है मुझे.
Oh, so you're not one of those people in the lockdown who are thinking that they want to travel right after.
No, 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 not at all. I'm so happy that I can stay here. I hate traveling. I hate flying. It's really scary.
अच्छा, very nice. Okay, so if you had कोई superpower होती, say yeah, let's suppose anything in the world. So
Hmm.
what would you?
I would like to read minds and control minds. So telekinesis is a superpower which is, where you can control people's brains. तो मैं वो power use करता कि मैं पढ़ता कि दिमाग में क्या है. जैसे अब आपका अगला सवाल क्या होगा? ये मैं पहले से पढ़ना चाहता हूँ.
Oh, very nice. That's actually very unique, you know. Maybe I would want that too.
है ना? It's a good superpower to have.
Yeah, okay. So, are you like a cat person or a dog person, or what's like your favorite pet? Or if
Dogs,
you do
dogs.
have a
I
pet.
I I love dogs. I have three dogs. Labradors हैं मेरे पास. And yeah, I'm totally a dog person. But cats I don't like. I'm also allergic to cats. So
You also,
I'm
yeah,
a
a lot of
yeah.
people are allergic to cats. But, you know,
I
I feel like
know.
dogs are loyal.
They are ना. Cats तो बस जो उनको किंग्स की तरह ट्रीट करे या क्वीन की तरह उधर ही चले जाते हैं. Dogs हमेशा लॉयल रहते हैं. So dogs.
Okay, so your favorite celebrity from the current lot these days?
Celebrity. So that can be cricket as well, right? I really like Babar Azam. I think Babar Azam is such a brilliant batsman, and he's our legend already. So मैं बाबर आजम का बहुत fan हूँ.
Okay, so that's very nice. So we figured out that you also like cricket.
I
That's
love
cool.
cricket, football, cricket. I'm a proper sports person.
That's great. Okay, so this lockdown period, usually people have, you know, learned something. Have you learned something, a new talent that you've discovered?
I wish यार my mom always tells me कि at least कुछ खाना बनाना सीख लो अगर I still have to go for my masters abroad, so she says कि learn something. I can't even make रूह अफ़ज़ा in the right way. या ज़्यादा मीठा हो जाता है या खट्टा हो जाता है. मैं तो इतना but I'm trying to polish my guitar and keyboard skills. So that's something that I already played. So I'm trying to get better at those.
So that's very nice. Okay, so we have
Yeah, yeah.
two would you rather questions for you. So the first is that
Okay.
would you rather be the funniest person in the room or the most intelligent person in the room?
I think the most intelligent person is usually the funniest person in the room. So I'd be the most intelligent person in the room.
मुझे लगता है जो इंटेलिजेंट लोग होते हैं ना वो बाकियों के ही मजाक उड़ा रहे होते हैं. That's why they're the funniest.
उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा होता है ना काफी जो इंटेलिजेंट लोग होते हैं तो I'd rather be the most intelligent person.
Right. Okay, so there are a lot of people who think that they wish that they could restart their life. तो अगर आपके पास चॉइस हो तो जो अभी जिंदगी चल रही है वैसे ही कंटिन्यू करोगे या रीस्टार्ट कर देंगे?
I think I'm really happy with how things are going and how things have, happened for me. So I would rather, continue my life, not restart.
Okay, so you know you this is your first project with Mawra, and
Yeah.
you know people are loving the chemistry on screen. So I had a few questions that I had planned. I was like, you know, maybe we should ask you instead of Mawra that
Hmm.
how well do you know her?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
ठीक
you
है.
have to tell me Mawra's first job.
First job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that she's done hosting. I think she's been a host on stage. I think so. I'm not sure. I hope I'm
Okay,
right.
we'll have to
Yeah.
ask Mawra that because I'm not too sure about that either.
Okay.
So we're
Ask her.
gonna ask Mawra questions about you tomorrow.
All right, perfect. I'll be watching.
So yeah, and then okay. So what was Mawra's major in university?
वो तो I know. She's done LLB, law.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
just got an
Yeah.
info. So what's Mawra's go-to style?
Go to style.
Yeah,
Um, uh, uh, as in, like, what does she prefer wearing? Like,
yeah,
what sort
like
of clothes does
on
she?
the campus test, what is like her casual thing?
Hmm. I think t-shirt and jeans, maybe. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
so we're
to, yeah.
asking. Yeah. Okay. uh, three words to describe Mawra.
Okay. She's very easygoing. She's extremely hardworking because I've spent so much time with her on set. She's probably one of the most hardworking people that I've seen, and she's also extremely intelligent.
Right. Okay. So we want to know, people come to the drama industry or to the film industry, and
Hmm.
you know a lot of people, and
Hmm.
you have a lot of opinions. So we have, and this could land you in deep waters, but like
Oh
let's
my.
say it
Okay.
might not depends on what you do. Okay. So this game
All
is
right.
that you have to say the first person who comes to your mind. Okay.
Okay. From the drama industry.
From the drama, from the film, anybody like we know from
Yeah.
Pakistan.
Like
Yeah,
an actor or an actress. Okay.
yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
the king of comedy.
King of comedy.
Yeah.
Um, uh, I used to my parents showed me 50-50. उसमें Ismail Tara थे. He was really funny. So I think Ismail Tara, he's one of our legends of comedy. तो मैं उनका बोलूँगा.
Okay. So sisters for life.
Sisters for Life. Uh, Mawra and because I'm friends with Mawra, so
Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so you're doing very
you,
nice
you you're
so far.
you're getting stuck.
Is it better now? Hi, can you hear
जी
me?
अब बेहतर.
Acha.
Yeah, yeah.
So the power couple of the industry.
Uh, Power couple. अच्छा. Mm, I mean, like on screen, like who looks good on screen, या वैसी who are married or something.
Whatever you wish.
I really liked Fawad Khan and Myra Khan in Humsafar, so I think they should be like they're the on-screen power couple.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
है ना?
we're all fans of that power couple. Yeah. Okay.
है
So
ना?
somebody who's
Yeah. Somebody who's
unbeatable.
unbeatable.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Uh, Fawad Khan. I really
Okay.
like his acting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody who's out of the league.
Uh, okay. Out of the league, I don't know. I think everyone is so good. Yeah, they're all. But somebody who's out of my league, Mahira Khan. She's also way older and she's also so beautiful. So I'd say Mahira Khan.
All right. Okay. So acting guru.
Acting guru. इतने हम बस मैं फंस क्यों रहा हूँ इतना इन सवालों में लेकिन नोमान एजाज इज गुड नोमान एजाज इज अ गुड एक्टर आई थिंक वो गुरु भी बहुत अच्छे होंगे
Huh, I'm sure. I'm sure.
है ना
Yeah. Somebody who's always late.
me I'm always late
You. You're always late.
I'm always late and it's not like I don't know मेरी किस्मत ही ऐसी है even when I plan something on time वो it always gets delayed I don't know how it just happens पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है
Understand. Every time, same,
है ना?
ditto.
ये हमारा इवन इवन यूनिवर्सिटी में मैं क्लास के लिए हमेशा लेट होता था और मुझे पता भी नहीं कैसे, बस हमेशा लास्ट पर्सन टू एंटर क्लास वाज ऑलवेज मी.
Okay, I can so relate to you on this because I was the same and all my friends kept complaining. But yeah, I understand. So somebody who's always hungry.
Can I say me again? Because I am always hungry.
You're
I'm
always
always
hungry.
eating and I have a sweet tooth. मुझे मीठा बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं हमेशा चॉकलेट और जब मैं चॉकलेट is my weakness. When I see chocolate ना बस मैं खाता रहता हूँ मीठा. I can't stop.
That's so good. Okay, so Amir, um, I had a lot of other questions planned, but let's just read the comments because then people are always like, we
Of
haven't
course.
answered.
That's very
Okay.
important.
So
Yeah.
I read somewhere in the middle that somebody asked what happened to your hair. You probably got a haircut. You
Yeah,
didn't do it
असल में
yourself. Please tell us that.
यस यस आई डिड गेट अ हेयर कट. असल में लंबे बाल संभालना इतना मुश्किल होता है एंड आई हैड रियली लॉन्ग हेयर इन सबात. और ऊपर से अभी क्वारंटीन होने वाला मतलब जब होने वाला था तो आई थॉट कि आई विल कट देम शॉर्ट बिफोर दे इवन ग्रो लॉन्गर. सो प्रोबब्ली बाय द टाइम क्वारंटीन एंड्स आई विल बी हसन अगेन. सो तब तक मैंने बोला थोड़ा मैं बाल कटवा के अमीर बन जाऊं.
अच्छा, so you're not one of those people जिन्होंने खुद से बाल काटना ट्राई किए.
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकता.
चलो, very nice. Okay. So Kamal Vakar is saying your acting is so mature. That's so true, वैसे.
What's the person's name?
Kamal Vakar.
Kaval, thank you, Kaval. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I've worked really hard.
Yeah. Iman Fatma says you're great.
You're great, Iman Fatma, for saying that I'm great. Thank you.
Um, there's a lot of love. Manur, I think, wrote, Hi, I love you, Ameer Gilani.
Yeah.
And
Hello, I
हाँ,
love you too. Thank you. Thank you.
Naiba Khan
Uh,
said she loves your long hair.
loves my long hair. चलो घर की खेती है वापस आ जाएगी. It's okay.
This is all that all the men are saying these days. All the ones who have actually shaved their heads too are probably saying the same.
हाँ, but don't you think it's मतलब you have long hair, isn't it? Wouldn't you prefer having shorter hair to है ना?
Yeah.
Girls का मेरे ख्याल से होता है तो boys का तो और मुश्किल हो जाता है.
And especially I feel like गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है आजकल.
एग्जैक्टली बहुत गर्मी है. मैंने एक एक कमेंट पढ़ा है कि खतीजा मोहम्मद का, इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग वन. Being a lawyer and an actor, have you ever decided to talk about issues like child abuse? I've seen you promoting equality and positivity. Hope to see you talking or acting on this issue as well. Of course, that's a very major issue, and I will address it. I do address it. I do try to talk about it whenever I can. And अगर कोई मुझे थोड़ा project मिला जो इसके through एक अच्छा message दे सके about this, so I will definitely do that.
That's wonderful. I mean, I feel like this is the requirement of the time.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Javed Ahmed says you're my favorite actor.
Thank you, Javed Ahmed. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Okay, so there's just a lot of
Hearts and
love
stuff,
from
no?
you.
Someone should ask. Let me also search with you. कि अगर मुझे कोई सवाल मिलता है. Please say my name. Hi, Myra. I said your name. Uh, Nosheen is saying, what is your next project? My next project, अभी I haven't signed anything. अभी तो मेरे ख्याल से काम relatively रुका हुआ भी है because of the situation. तो जैसी things get better and I sign something, तो I'll let you all know.
Any co-stars that you're looking forward to? I mean, any people from the industry you're looking forward to talk, I mean, work with?
Um, Everyone. I'm very greedy. I want to work with every good actor. All of them. सब मुझे चाहिए. लेकिन इतने ज़्यादा actors हैं यार. जैसे the ones that I just named earlier, Fawad Khan, Mahira Khan, Sajal Ali हैं. I would love to work with all of these brilliant actors.
That's nice. That's nice. Somebody's asking, how do you feel working in the industry? Because
How do I
they,
feel?
uh,
I feel great because it's always been my passion to be an actor, to come on TV. I've always been so inspired by heroes और उनको देख के मुझे इतनी खुशी मिलती कि यार मैं भी किसी दिन आऊंगा टीवी पे. तो it's great to be on screen finally.
Azka Nazir says, love Hassan and Anaya's characters. More drama should be promoting independent characters. Uh,
Hmm.
props to you and Mawra for taking on these anticipated roles.
Props to you too, Aska. और I know हमारे ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री वैसे भी बहुत अच्छी है and it'll only get better with time. तो ऐसे और स्टोरीज आएंगी और आपको और मजा आएगा.
Okay, so somebody has asked when will Usman Mukhtar, come into the drama?
Balki, I think I also saw Usman's comment somewhere. He said hi or something. So, Usman, if you're watching, hello. Why should I tell you guys? It's a surprise. Usman is our surprise weapon, our surprise element. So he'll come when he has to, and then you'll see. It's a secret.
A lot of people are waiting for Usman, and I mean,
Of
I
course.
haven't even, why can't I see his comment? I'm a huge fan of his.
Yeah. Well, he's watching. I'm sure he's really happy to hear that. He has a lot of fans. I saw it somewhere. कहीं मुझे नजर आया था उनका. अब पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. But he is a brilliant person and a very good actor, and he'll come soon, inshallah. Don't worry, इसी ड्रामे में है, आएंगे.
Yeah, okay, so we're all waiting. Somebody's asking, would you like to play negative roles?
Yes, of course. If it is a very meaty negative role or बहुत उसमें room हो for performance, I would love to play a negative role or also provided कि उसका message अच्छा जाए at the end of the play. You know, the message should be positive, but yeah, we portray a negative character as well.
Okay, so somebody's asking, who is better in studies, you or Mabra? This is a fun question.
ओ डेफिनेटली मुहावरा. मैं तो बैक बेंचर था. मैं तो लास्ट रो में बैठ के और मस्तियां करता रहता था. एंड शी यूज्ड टू कम क्या कहते हैं. बिकॉज हाँ, बाय द वे, आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो, बट वी बोथ डिड एलएलबी टुगेदर. वी
Yeah, yeah,
नेवर
yeah.
वी नेवर स्पोक. वी weren't फ्रेंड्स ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. बट वो एंड में आती थी. आफ्टर रैपिंग अप ऑल ऑफ हर शूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, शी यूज्ड टू कम एंड देन सबसे बेहतर ग्रेड्स भी वो ले जाती थी. तो आई यूज्ड टू फील jealous, but she's better.
Okay, so what's your favorite drama currently, Ameer? This is Iman asking.
Iman, I'll be a little biased and I'll have to say Sabaat.
Yeah. So Sabaat's everybody's favorite,
Yeah,
Everybody's
thank you.
talking about it so much.
Yeah, they're all hooked to it, and that's great. I'm so happy. Okay, people are responding in such a positive way.
Yeah.
And
So
also
some
all my I'm seeing a couple of my fan pages. Ameer Gilani family है, Ameer
uh,
Gilani world है, Ameer Gilani official भी मेरा fan page है. So I love you all. Thank you so much. मुझे इस तरह मौका कभी इस तरह मिला नहीं है आपको बोलने के लिए लाइव, बट बहुत मुझे आप लोगों का ये आप जो मेहनत करते हैं टू एडिट पिक्चर्स, टू एडिट वीडियोस, इट मीन्स अ लॉट. इवन ऑल द सबात fan pages. I love you all. Thank you so much.
okay, that's great. Okay, so Ameer, it is lovely talking to you so far. It has been lovely. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for giving us so much of your time. And I'm so
No
glad
worries.
Sabaat is going so well because I feel like Sabaat is one of those dramas कि when you meet your friends, when you're on video call with your friends, and वो एक drama होता है ना जो चल रहा होता है and everybody's talking about it. I feel like
Yeah.
ये वो drama बन गया है.
Bilkul,
So
and that's so good. That's so good. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, and I hope that you guys like it even more as you continue watching the show. Now, with each episode, it'll only get better, inshallah.